Hello member or future member of Direct Traders, I welcome you to the full course, listen to me, complete, of technical analysis in this course of Direct Traders. It's a course that I recorded a while ago, but I have decided to offer it to you for free to the community of YouTube. It's not a course that you have to pay to watch it halfway of what I will be showing you. I will not be asking you to go to watch it in my website. The full course will have all the content for free on YouTube. I hope that you feel privileged, that you can take advantage of this content, and that you feel as excited as how I am feeling right now. I also hope that you can grow like a trader and that you can dominate the technical analysis, which is the base of all Forex. Why don't I start by defining what Forex is? Forex is the abbreviation of foreign exchange, meaning when you change one currency. We will be basically exchanging one currency with another. Remember that we can't say that a currency rose or that it fell in one way. For example, the dollar doesn't have an exact value, or the euro. The currency simply adopts a value when we compare it with another. When we compare the euro with the dollar, it adopts a value, and generally there will always be one that is going to be the main currency and one that is going to be the secondary currency. But if you didn't understand me until this point, I will be sure that you will understand it at the end of this course. I'm just introducing you to what you will see in this course, and the importance of taking notes, and that you ask questions in the comments below, and that you learn all the content and master it perfectly. The technical analysis in Forex is what 91% of people use to invest in Forex. That's why it's so important that you understand that 91% is a really high quantity than millions of people that invest in this market. It turns out that the other 9% use institutional analysis, but it happens that institutional analysis is a little more advanced. That is the type of analysis that banks and financial institutions with their objective in investing, also in the foreign exchange, comes in place. You won't be able to understand the institutional analysis if you don't first understand technical analysis. That's why this course will teach you how I use technical analysis, and probably implement it as well. But generally, I base my style of analysis right now just on institutional analysis. But we gotta start somewhere, right? This is the base of all analysis, including that you will be able to invest once you learn the technical analysis. But like I told you a minute ago, take notes, and I will be going to tell you along the course until you do it, because we don't have the capacity to remember everything that we hear. So don't forget to take notes. Lastly, I will be telling you what you will see in this course, and the way that you'll take all this knowledge, what you will see primarily would be advanced technical analysis. Not just that, but also you will see intermediate, where we will be going step by step, that you can learn it perfectly and so that you can dominate it perfectly as well. Secondly, I will show you what are the best ways to invest in the market, how much money you have to invest with your capital, and what will be your possible returns. You will learn all this here. And thirdly, I will give you the content step by step, first from beginners, then to intermediate, then to advanced, so that you can digest the information, because I know that there's super complicated stuff here that you won't digest right away. So the content is made to go step by step, learning to do your own analysis and practicing what you will be learning. And finally, you will receive a certificate that you did your technical analysis with Direct Traders. I will leave the link below so that you can have access to the community that other people are starting at the same time as you and in the same level as you. You will be part of the Direct Traders community, and you will be able to share your experiences, and you'll start at no cost. I hope that you can take advantage of everything that is getting offered to you. The content here is for free, and I just hope that you enjoy it. But best of all, put in all that practice and get excellent results. I gladly welcome you to Direct Traders.